Hi, welcome back to IFIXSMARTSOLUTIONS. This time we're working on a Thinkpad T480, really good computer. Today we're working on keyboard replacement. Some of the keys here are not working properly, so when that happens, some people might try to fix key each one, but honestly that's not a good idea. So if you have the way to swap the whole keyboard, it's even better. It's actually much easier, and you could have a new keyboard it's not that expensive. You can have a new one on eBay, and it's really easy to swap this one. So this is a T480. We have here a new keyboard to replace. So if you look on the new one, so you can really easily see that it has those two spots here that it clearly show that screws hold this keyboard from the bottom. So those two screws are right here in the bottom, 1 and 2. So I'm going to remove the battery. It's not necessarily you need to do that, but I always recommend, if you do anything in a computer, always remove any power source from the computer. So we're gonna release those two screws. Once you release the screws, you will see that it's really easy. Just slide up the keyboard, so slide it up and just pull it. Do it carefully because you have to disconnect it here, disconnect it from the board. Just release those little things. I always forget the name of the stuff. So we get the new one. First thing we do, you can put the keyboard with the key facing down, connect it again. Make sure you connect both of them. So one key, you see it has two lines, two white lines. So make sure when you close it, you can see the last line from the keyboard. So you may ask why there are two. So one controls the keyboard, and the other one, his job is just the backlight. And also I think one has to be with the track point here. So to put it back, you want to start from the top. You see here from the top, try to slide it up, push it down, and then just slide down again. Yeah, it will. At the time you're trying to make a video, it won't look that easy, but normally it is really easy. But I think someone spilled something on this one, that's why it's a little more difficult to put back. So just have your your screws tight again, connect your battery, and now time to test. You can turn it on. If you press F10 on the computer, okay, went to Windows, let's reboot it. So when it's booting up, if you press F10, it will load this diagnostic screen. So on this one, you can try, or you can test the keyboard. You press the K, C to confirm. You can actually try every single key on the keyboard just to make sure they're good. If you see you press any key, and it should change the color of that particular key on the screen, and that actually means it's good. So once you swap a new screw, most likely, a new keyboard, most likely everything's gonna be good. Sorry, I keep confusing the terms. It's English is not my first language, but I'm trying to. Yep, so as you see, all our keys are good. Some keys probably won't, you know, because this is made probably also like for the biggest keyboard, the biggest one too. So those other keys, we don't have it in this particular keyboard. So that was swapping a keyboard on a T480. So I hope this helped you a lot. Have a good one. Subscribe.